I don't understand why I have all these bras on the ground. I really don't.
We're all going anyway.
What's up, guys? It's Kat. It is currently Sunday, July 29th at 8:49 p.m. I never film this late at all. Fun fact about me, I'm typically in bed by 9 o'clock and like asleep by 10:30ish. It's actually been a pretty busy weekend and my room got kind of messy. Not kind of messy, pretty messy. I'll show you in a second. So I thought it would be smart to take just like 10 minutes right now before I go to sleep to clean it up. Make sure that when I wake up in the morning, I have a nice clean room to wake up to. When I wake up and my room is super clean, it makes me feel 10 times more productive, 10 times more excited to get up and start the day. And it's just a nice feeling. So we're gonna clean my room right now. And I thought I would take y'all along with me because it makes cleaning more fun when you guys come with me, you know what I mean? Okay, view from my bed. This is what my room looks like. My desk is kind of messy. I literally just filmed a video. I spent Friday night at Tim's, so I have to unpack that stuff. That's my work bag, and then I just have some random stuff on the floor. This is my like filer box. I had to get some paperwork out of there, so I had to put that away. Whole bunch of dirty clothes on the floor. I got my light. My dresser is not clean at all. A lot of stuff going on there. A lot of stuff on my desk.
Okay, so I know I've told y'all like 1,010,000 times. The first thing you're supposed to do when you clean your room is make your bed. However, this is a nighttime cleaning routine and I'm about to get in my bed and go to sleep in it. So why would I make it? Nope, doesn't make any sense. So the first thing I'm doing is just taking care of the bigger objects that are taking up space. Like I put my light away, my tripod, and I'm putting my chair back on my desk. And then as you can see, like always, I have a ton of clothes on my floor. So I'm taking care of those, just putting the dirty ones in the hamper and the clean ones away where they belong.
Why do I have so many bras on the ground? Like, I don't understand why I have all these bras on the ground. I really don't. But those are not dirty. They can go back. None of this stuff is even dirty. This is all clean laundry. I was watching The Bachelor before this and I was planning to watch it while I clean and I totally forgot to put it on. I don't know why, but we're gonna put it on now.
And I kind of associate my shoes with my clothes for pretty obvious reasons. So I typically like to take care of the shoes while I take care of my clothes.
We're taking a quick cleaning break so I can do a mini little haul of stuff I got from American Eagle today, but not for me, for Tim. My boyfriend Tim, his birthday is Friday, August 3rd. He's gonna be 24. Actually, it was probably yesterday because I think this video is going up on Saturday the 4th. And for every one of like his birthdays or any gift giving holiday occasion, I always get him American Eagle boxers because he just loves them. Like he says they're like the most comfortable, and I live near American Eagle outlet and they always have super good deals on like the boxers with like super duper fun patterns. I actually didn't get as many fun patterns this time. So the first pair I got is just like this pretty maroon color with a little eagles on it, and then I got this like teal and white striped one. Again, these ones aren't very fun patterns, but this one I thought was fun because he likes football. So I got him some boxers with some footballs on them on a football field. That way at football season he can wear them and be like, I'm rooting for my team on my boxers, you know what I mean? And then the final pair I picked up was just this like really pretty blue color. His eyes are blue, so I love getting him things that are blue. Not really that the boxers are going to bring out his eyes for anyone but me. I guess it can work for me, but other people aren't just gonna see him in his boxers, so these are for me. But I do actually think this is a really pretty blue color. Why'd the lighting get weird? And then to go along with that, because this is something that people can actually see him in, I got him this really nice little shirt. It's just like a little collared shirt and it's like super soft. All right, this lighting is getting real weird. We gotta get back to cleaning.
Okay, so now that the clothes and shoes are under control, it's time to separate my room into sections. Y'all know this is the best way I find to clean your room. Once all of the bigger things are taken care of, just go section by section and tidy up what needs to be tidied up. I find there really are such great benefits to taking like 5 to 15 minutes to clean up your room before bed. One, it's going to relieve a lot of stress from the day. I know for me, cleaning is a great stress reliever. And then you're also going to feel like you accomplished something, even if it wasn't a very productive day. Maybe you didn't get much done, it was a lazy day, or even if it wasn't, it's going to add to that list of things that you accomplished. And I also find it makes the waking up process a lot easier and more enjoyable. First of all, it's going to put you in a much calmer mood if your room is nice and tidy tidy versus if it was super cluttered and messy. And you're also going to be able to get ready faster, most likely, because you can find the things that you need. And I know for me, if my room is clean, it just makes me feel like I have my life way more together than I probably do, but it just feels like my life is together because my room is clean, you know what I mean? Is this not the cutest card ever? It's actually for my grandma. It says, this card contains an actual hook, instructions inside. Just wait, just wait. First, you gotta press it on your face, then you gotta apply pressure on the left and right cheeks, and then you think about how special you are to so many people. Is that not the cutest thing in the whole wide world? And then look on the back. Reminder, repeat hugging process as often as needed. This is just like, words can't explain how much I love this. There's a little overview, looks nice and clean now. I mean, I'm not gonna bother making my bed. It's pretty much made, but I'm not gonna make it perfect because I'm like literally about to just get in it and go to bed. If you watched till this part, comment mirror. Comment mirror. Looking at my big mirror, comment mirror if you watched till this part. All right guys, I love you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and I will see y'all in my next video.